head down, moon hanging low, radio crackling some old Conway, slow dancing in the pickup truck bed, just you, me, and the night ahead. Truck bed blanket rumble, hay still sticking through. Your hands on my waist, pulling me close to you. I'm barefoot now, boots kicked over the side, moonlight painting shadows where the good sense died. You spin me slow, stars wheeling above, back road dancing, feeling like dangerous love. Stadium reverb turns the whole back 40 into an infinite sticky summer night. Slow dancing in the pickup truck bed tonight, moonlight kissing skin, feeling so right. Body swaying close, hearts racing fast, every step a promise that's built to last. Slow dancing in the pickup truck bed tonight, pour it slow, baby, let's get reckless right. Tail lights glowing red like a warning sign, but we're too far gone to pay it any mind. Your callous fingers trace the line of my spine, every little shiver feeling like moonshine. Sweat on my back, breath on my neck, one more slow turn and I'm a total wreck. I swore I'd be good when the bottle ran dry, but them back road nights keep calling my name tonight. Every sway of memory, every dip of plea, bringing me right back to you and me. I know it's wrong, I know it's bad, but damn it, slow dancing don't feel good to be had. Cicadas singing like they know our sin, truck bed creaking where the night begins. One more pull from the bottle, one more pull from you. This backwoods dance is too good to be true. Slow dancing in the pickup truck bed, making every bad idea feel sacred. Slow dancing in the pickup truck bed tonight, moonlight kissing skin, feeling so right. Body swaying close, hearts racing fast, every step a promise that's built to last. Slow dancing in the pickup truck bed tonight, pour it slow, baby, let's get reckless right. Still swaying, still dancing, still feeling you, darling. One more slow turn before the sun comes up. Slow dancing in the pickup truck.